Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduction myself. I am Harun Arashid. Today I will tell you about my experience watching MPL Arena Mobile Legends at the International Federation Stadium. I watch MPL Mobile Legends alone. I watch to support the Onyx team who will competition again, the Geek Farm team and the Team Liquid ID. I watch three not only watch, but I also bought souvenir namely MPL player card. Maybe all for the best experience for me. Thank you.